Freedom Forgers, you know what time it is? It's asparagus season. And you know, I've actually got about 6-8 inches of snow on top of my asparagus bed right now, but there's nothing I can do about that. But you know what the great news is? Asparagus is on sale at your grocery store right now. And my grocery store has it on sale for 99 cents a pound. So we're going to take and make a great asparagus dish today. We're going to make shrimp and asparagus stir fry with lemon sauce. So come along with us for the ride. Okay, the first thing you're going to do with your asparagus is you're going to want to wash it, which I've already done that. And then you're going to want to snap these ends off. There's a tough end on here. And you just grab a hold of your asparagus and you just, wherever it snaps, you want it to snap as closest to the end as you can, but don't force it because you don't want any of that stringy part of the asparagus in there. So I'm going to get these all snapped, and then what we're going to do is we're going to snap these in thirds, so we'll have, you know, just nice bite-sized pieces. Let me get that done, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, the first step in this recipe is to make the lemon sauce. Let me just tell you what we're going to use. We're going to use 2/3 cup of chicken stock. We're going to use some ginger, some garlic, some soy sauce, some sugar, and some cornstarch. All right, so we're going to start with the cornstarch. We're going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch in. One tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and we're going to mix that up. To this, we're going to add 2/3 cup of chicken stock, and we're just going to mix that all up. Okay, now we're going to start to do the stir fry. So what I've got here is I've got a pound of shelled cooked shrimp. You can use raw shrimp, and if you do that, you'll want to stir fry the shrimp ahead of time. I've got a pound of the asparagus that we trimmed. I've got about a tablespoon of grated ginger here, and I've got about a tablespoon of garlic. All right, so what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the pan. And I've had this preheating for a while on medium heat. So we're just going to work that around the pan. Make sure it's good and coated. All right, let's put in our asparagus. All right, we're going to just cook this asparagus until it's bright green and crisp tender. I'm going to crack a little bit of Himalayan sea salt on there. That'll flavor it nicely, and it will help break down those fibers. We'll be back when this is all cooked up. All right, guys, our asparagus is stir-fried. It is just right. It's tender, but still a little bit crisp, and I have to admit, I tasted a couple pieces, and it tastes delicious. All right, we're going to put our shrimp in, not to cook it, but just to heat it through. Give that a quick toss. I'm going to let that heat up a little bit, and then we'll be back to add our garlic and our ginger. All right, our shrimp is heated through, and so now we're going to add the ginger. Just kind of add that in, and our minced garlic. And you're not going to want to cook this too long because garlic has a tendency to burn if you cook it at too high of a temperature. All right, so our garlic and our ginger have been cooking for about a minute, and it smells wonderful. So now what we're going to do is, you know, the lemon sauce that we made earlier, we are going to put that on the dish right now. So we're just going to pour that in. The combination of the lemon, the ginger, and the garlic, it just smells so great. So we're just going to bring that up to temperature. And that cornstarch is going to thicken and make a nice sauce for this dish. So we're going to get that done, and we'll be right back. Well, there you go, guys. A shrimp asparagus stir fry with lemon sauce. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could be here to see it and smell it. Well, we're about to dive in. So thanks for stopping by, guys. And remember to go out today and do something to forge your freedom. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see what's coming up next. And don't forget to go over to our podcast at forgingfreedompodcast.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.